If you are new to meditation, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into Isha Kriya, a powerful yet simple meditation technique, perfect for beginners, developed by Sadhguru. This practice has transformed the lives of millions around the world. In this video, we will guide you through what Isha Kriya is, its benefit, and how you can begin practicing it today. So if you have been looking for a way to reduce stress, enhance focus, and experience a deeper sense of inner peace, stay tuned. Welcome to Sadhguru Meditation, where we embark on a journey towards inner peace and personal growth. Part 1. A beginner guides to Isha Kriya. So what is Isha Kriya? Isha Kriya is a simple yet powerful meditation technique that is designed to help you connect with your inner self. It is rooted in ancient yogic practice but is adapted to meet the needs of modern life. This practice is ideal for beginners because it doesn't require any special skills or prior experience in meditation. It's all about simplicity and ease. The benefits of Isha Kriya are incredible. Stress reduction, it calms the mind and body, allowing you to let go of tension. Increased focus, it sharpens mental clarity and concentration. Inner peace, it cultivates a deep sense of tranquility and balance. What makes it perfect for beginners is its simplicity. You don't need to sit in a complex posture or dedicate hours to the practice. In just 15-20 minutes a day, you can start experiencing the benefits. It is a practice that anyone can begin no matter where you are in life. Part 2. Understanding the basics. Now, let's understand the basic structure of Isha Kriya. This practice involves 3 main stages. Stage 1, Samadhi. Stage 2, Ananta. Stage 3, Dhyana. Stage 1, Samadhi. This is the first stage where we prepare the mind and body for the deeper parts of the practice. Samadhi is about bringing awareness to your breath and your body, helping you feel more present and grounded. Stage 2, again Yasha. In this stage, you perform specific gestures with your hands and body. These gestures help release tension and channel energy through the body, aiding the meditative process. Stage 3, Dhyana. The final stage involves quiet observation where you simply sit in stillness and observe your thoughts and breath. It is here that the mind begins to find peace and clarity. To practice Isha Kriya effectively, you will need a few simple tools: a timer to guide your practice duration, a comfortable sitting arrangement such as cushion or chair, a quiet space where you can focus without distraction. Part 3. Isha Kriya practice step-by-step guide. Now that we have an overview, let's break down each stage of Isha Kriya step by step and I will guide you through the process and you can follow along and start practicing right away. Stage 1, Shambhavi. Start by sitting comfortably with your back straight. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath and observe how your body feels. Begin to bring awareness to your breath. As you inhale, fill the airs, fill your lungs. And as you exhale, release any tension. Continue this for a few moments. This simple breath observation helps bring your focus to the present moment. Stage 2, Anganyasha. For this stage, you will make a series of gestures with your hands. First, raise your right hand to your forehead and mentally say, I am not the body. I am not the body. Then move your hand to your chest, saying, I am not the mind. I am not the mind. Continue this process with your left hand touching different parts of your body. Each gesture helps release accumulated tensions and bring awareness to the body's energy. Stage 3, Dhyana. Now, for the final stage, sit still and absorb your breath and thoughts. Let your body relax completely. In this stage, the key is to just observe without any judgment or attachment to your thoughts. If your mind starts to wander, gently focus and bring back your focus back to your breath. This stage cultivates a peaceful meditative state that is the essence of Isha Kriya. Part 4, Tips for effective practice. Here are a few tips to make your practice more effective. Number first, consistency is key. Try to practice Isha Kriya every day